Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines using Canva. This is such a simple yet essential skill for anyone looking to add creativity or clarity to their designs. Whether you're an experienced designer or a complete beginner, mastering how to use lines effectively can make all the difference. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open Canva and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your homepage, create a new design or open an existing one that you'd like to work on. Now that you have your project ready, look toward the left side of your screen for the vertical toolbar. This is your main toolkit. Scroll down and click on the Tools option. Once you click on Tools, you'll see a variety of features pop up. For this tutorial, let's focus on finding the pencil icon. This tool allows you to draw freehand lines. Now that the pencil tool is selected, move your cursor over to the canvas where you want the line to appear. Click and hold the left mouse button, then drag your cursor in the direction you want your line to go. The line will appear as you drag. Here's a helpful tip. If you want to draw a straight line, hold down the Shift key while dragging your cursor. This keeps the line perfectly straight, making it ideal for adding structure and symmetry to your design. Once you're happy with your line, release the mouse button to finalize it. And that's it. Drawing lines in Canva is really that easy. After drawing your line, you can explore editing options. Just click on the line, and at the top of the canvas, you'll see options to change its color, thickness, and style. Experiment with these settings to see what works best for your design. And there you have it. With these simple steps, drawing lines in Canva can be seamlessly integrated into your creative process, helping you build more polished and coherent designs. Feel free to explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun with this tool. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been a helpful guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more design tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.